pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hi again, it's me, Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and decide to take a chance on this channel and think about subscribing before you leave. So I finally, after emailing and not getting an answer and after checking the mail all the time, got my Boxycharm base box. So we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to see if this box is worth it this month, because it's not always. I mean, for the most part it is, but sometimes, you know how it is. All right, let's see what we got here. And Spellbound is the theme. This is weird. Like, what kind of packaging does this do? This is the only packaging that's in my box. Like, okay, we're good. It doesn't make sense to me. All right, so let's get in here. So the card is not just this side. It has like some other stuff on here, and of course October 11th, that's kind of passed. So I missed out on that. But anyway, it's got stuff about the products, the prices in the products, and what's in here. So let's get started. The first thing that I am looking at is Camara Aunique Beauty, the Mary Lash, a $25 value. And these seriously are just like Ardell Wispies, and these are the short ones. They're not going to do much for me. You know, I'm more of a longer lash kind of gal, and $25 is a lot for these. I'll definitely try them out, or I'll send them to somebody. We'll see. It says it's a new brand to Boxy. So this Camara Aunique Beauty is new. We'll have to look that up and see what that is. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. The Tarte C Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. Like an espresso shot for under your eyes. That's cute. A vegan skin-loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a fresh, youthful look. Okay, so it's supposed to deliver 24-hour hydration. It's supposed to be weightless, and it's a water-based formula. It has a $35 value, and this would definitely be good if it's working against puffiness to put it in your skincare fridge if you have one. Okay. Here it is here. Let's see the consistency. I do like that there is a seal on here. There's not always a seal. The scent is fine. This is what the jar looks like. It's just a white looking like cream. It's more of a moisturizer type. Oh, it's really thick. And it feels really soft. I'm definitely going to have to look at the ingredients just to see if there's anything different in here, because this feels different. Then I use tons of creams. I must have like 487 bottles of this stuff. Okay, let's move on. We've got, what is this? A Peel Adhesive Liquid Liner in Jet Black. This is a $29 value. This is the newest and most innovative way to apply your fox lashes. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultrafine liner is easy to apply and a hot way to spice up any eye look. Appeal Cosmetics. Oh, wait a minute. I mean, obviously this is not going to keep your lashes on, but we got to find out what this is talking about here. Wait a minute. Okay, so it's got that marker tip. It's not real hard or anything like that, but it's one of those that you would have to use it on an angle and play around with if you're going to do like a wing or something like that. Okay, all right, let me see. What else do we have? Tint the company Teint Brown Brow Gel Lash and Brow Duo. Okay, where are you? $29 value. The mascara is created with a smooth, oil-rich formula. The brow gel is fine and creamy with enough color to achieve natural-like hair strokes. Okay, let's open her up and try her out, because that's the only way we're going to see if we like her, right? Ooh, this is a thicker tube than what I was expecting. All right, we need a mirror. And I know that this lipstick is kind of bright, but I bought Jacqueline's collection, so I'm wearing it. All right, let's see. This here is, hang on. The mascara. Ooh, look at that wand. That's nifty. Now I have mascara on already, but I could totally see this working pretty well. Definitely gonna try that out in another video. All right, let's go over to the that's what? Okay, hang on. There's so much color and pigment on this brush that there is no way you could put it on and it look natural. Hang on, I don't know, it's probably the way that it was sitting in there, but we definitely, let me grab a Q-tip and wipe some of this off. Holy jeez, that would be insane if I tried to put that on my brows. The color would bunch up in one spot. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, do you see how much color it's putting on and I just wiped it off? Like, holy crap. Okay. I do like it. Just be mindful of how much product is in there. Alright, you're going to definitely want to use another spoolie. I knew I had it somewhere. Ooh, it's really thick and it's bunching up. Just want you to know that. Not exactly my favorite here, but it is kind of thickening the hairs because the product's thick. So depending upon how well you use it and play with it, it could be good or it could be totally the opposite. Okay, so what is the last thing we got? Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. Yes, $34.99. All right, let's recap before I go into this. We did get the Tarte eye cream with collagen. I did get the really tiny lashes from that new company, Camara Aunique. And I got the black liquid liner by Appeal Cosmetics. And then by Teint, the Lash and Brow Duo. Okay, so now we've got the Ace Beauty. This feels like it's kind of heavy. I do like the color on the packaging. Nice and fall. Look at the leaves. Ooh, wow, the pans are big. Look. Ah! Okay, wow. Cranberry, candy corn. Wow. You guys want to see swatches, right? Okay, let's do it. Apple. Squash. This is so not a squash color. Pumpkin pie. This is not pumpkin pie. That is not pumpkin pie. And this one could be questionable on whether or not it's autumn. But those are the names. Weird. Let me do pine cone as well. Get some of these in here. Wow. Okay. The pigment is there. Very nice. Cherry pie. Spice. Cranberry, another questionable one. Let me see. Chestnut is like purple. How did that happen? And this one, which I can't really pronounce. Persimmon? Okay, let's try. Okay, and then there's 2 colors left, cider and candy corn. Wow. Cider and I can be friends. Like that. But it's just in candy corn. Like, alright. Let me, yeah. Candy corn, holy jeez. Okay, here they are. What do you guys think? Alright, so this got some cool colors in it. Ace Beauty, yeah, I've liked some of their palettes in the past, and I'll definitely do a look for you guys with this if that's something that you want. Would you put that down in the comments below? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to total everything up and put it on the screen for you so you can see what my box is worth. This box is still $25 a month, 4 to 5 items, and it's $100, around $100, maybe a little bit more as far as the value goes. But let me know your thoughts. Are you getting your boxes on time? Because mine have been super late and they've never been like this before. And do you get Boxycharm? Did you cancel Boxycharm? Let me know that down in the comments below. And thank you for being here. If you have not subscribed, I would love it if you would take a chance on this channel. Hit that subscribe button. If you wouldn't mind liking this video and maybe sharing it with a friend, that would be great too. And I'll see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.